नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज की वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th का डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेशंस का एग्ज़ाम पेपर हल कर रहे हैं, जिसका सब्जेक्ट कोड 221 है। ये पेपर अप्रैल 2025 का है और ये सेट ए है और जिसका पेपर कोड 69 में 4 है। पेपर को शुरू करने से पहले अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर ले और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दें ताकि आगे भी मैं आपको दूसरे सब्जेक्ट के सॉल्व एग्जाम पेपर दे सकूं। धन्यवाद। General instructions. 1. Candidate must write his/her roll number on the first page of the question paper. 2. Please check the question paper to verify that the total pages and total number of questions contained in the question paper are the same as those printed on the top of the first page. Also check to see that the questions are in sequential order. 3. For the objective type of questions, you have to choose any one of the 4 alternatives given in the questions, i.e., A, B, C, and D, and indicate your correct answer in the answer book given to you. 4. All the questions, including objective type questions, are to be answered within the allotted time, and no separate time limit is fixed for answering objective type questions. 5. Making any identification mark in the answer book or writing roll number anywhere other than the specified places will lead to disqualification of the candidate. 6. Candidate will not be allowed to take calculator, mobile phone, Bluetooth, earphone. The question paper is in English Hindi medium only. However, if you wish, you can answer in any one of the languages listed below: English, Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi, Odia, Gujarati, Konkani, Manipuri, Assamese, Nepali, Kashmiri, Sanskrit, and Sindhi. You are required to indicate the language you have chosen to answer in the box provided in the answer book. If you choose to write the answer in a language other than Hindi and English, the responsibility for any errors/mistakes in understanding the questions will be yours only. Note: Number 1. Answers of all questions are to be given in the answer book given to you. 2. 15 minutes time has been allotted to read this question paper. The question paper will be distributed at 02:15 p.m. From 02:15 p.m. to 02:30 p.m., the students will read the question paper only and will not write any answer on the answer book during this period. इस पेपर के लिए आपको 2 घंटे का समय मिलेगा और ये 40 नंबर का पेपर होगा. Note: This question paper consists of 25 questions in all. 2. All questions are compulsory. 3. Marks are given against each question. 4. Section A consists of A. Question numbers 1 to 7, multiple choice type questions, MCQs carrying 1 mark each. Select and write the most appropriate option out of the 4 options given in each of these questions. B. Question numbers 8 to 17 are objective type questions. Question numbers 17, 8 to 10 are carrying 2 marks each, with 2 subparts of 1 mark each, and question numbers 11 to 17 are carrying 1 mark each. Attempt question numbers 11 to 17 as per the instructions given for each of the questions. Section B consists of A. Question numbers 18 to 22, very short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each, to be answered in the range of 30 to 50 words. B. Question numbers 23 and 24, short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each, to be answered in the range of 50 to 80 words. C. Question numbers 25, long answer type question carrying 4 marks, to be answered in the range of 80 to 120 words. D. Section B offers internal choices for some questions. Attempt only one of the given choices in such questions. Silence. Section A. 1. Logic and comparison operations are performed in unit of computer. 1. A. LU. B. CU. C. Memory. D. Input. Answer. A. LU. 2. Which of the following is not a way to indent text in MS Word? 1. A. Tab stops. B. Hanging indent. C. Decrease indent button. D. Spacebar. Answer: D. Spacebar. Give the shortcut key to reach the end of the document. 1. A. Control End. B. Control Home. C. Home. D. End. Is A. Control End. 4. How does AutoFit help improve Excel spreadsheets? 1. A. It ensures data is fully visible and adjusted within the width of the column and height of the row. B. It automatically sorts data in alphabetical order. C. It removes duplicate data from the sheet. D. It merges cells to fit the content. And A. It ensures data is fully visible and adjusted within the width of the column and height of the row. 5. Is used to indicate the scaling of the x-axis and y-axis in a chart. 1. A. Data labels. B. Tick marks. C. Legends. D. Chart title. Answer: B. Tick marks. Installed templates in PowerPoint are accessible through which menu option? 1. A. Insert. B. View. C. Design. D. Format. Ans. C. Design. When would you use a surface chart? 1. A. To compare individual categories. B. To show changes over time. C. To show relationships between two variables. D. To analyze two sets of numeric data. And D. To analyze two sets of numeric data. In the questions given below, there are two statements marked as 2, assertion A and reason R. Choose the correct option out of the choices given below in each question. I. Assertion A. In MS Word 2007, you can change the font size of the entire document at once. 2. Reason R. The select all function in MS Word only applies to the current section or paragraph, not the entire document. A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. E. Both A and R are false. And C. A is true, but R is false. I. Assertion A. The Ctrl-Z keyboard shortcut in MS Word is used to undo the last action, including the insertion of bullets or numbering. Reason R. Ctrl-Z in MS Word is the undo command, allowing users to revert the document to its previous state, including the removal of recently added bullets or numbering. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. E. Both A and R are false. Ants. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. State true or false. 2. The columns feature in MS Word 2007 allows you to create only 2 columns per page. B. When you are typing along and reach the bottom of a page in a Word document, a page break will be inserted automatically. Answer. The columns feature in MS Word 2007 allows you to create only 2 columns per page. False. B. When you are typing along and reach the bottom of a page in a Word document, a page break will be inserted automatically. Answer the following. 2. Name the key used to delete the text to the right of the cursor. B. Write name of shortcut key for pasting the cut text in a document. Ans. The key used to delete the text to the right of the cursor is delete key. B. The shortcut key for pasting the cut or copied text in a document is Ctrl+V. 11. Font size is measured in points, where 1 point is equal to of an inch. Font size is measured in points, where 1 point is equal to 1/72 of an inch. 12. Are devices connected to the computer externally? 1. A. CPU. B. Peripheral. C. CU. D. RAM. Ants. D. Peripheral. 13. Hold down the E key on the keyboard while using the arrow buttons to highlight the text in MS Word. 1. Ands. Hold down the Shift key on the keyboard while using the arrow buttons to highlight the text in MS Word. 14. Which of the following views is most useful for adding notes to slides? 1. A. Slide sorter view. B. Normal view. C. Reading view. D. Slideshow view. And B. Normal view. 15. The Insert tab option is used to add page numbers in a Word document. 1. Ands. The Insert tab option is used to add page numbers in a Word document. 16. Which function would you use to calculate the minimum of a range of numbers? 1. Ands. Min function.
अगर आपको इस पेपर की पूरी PDF फाइल चाहिए तो आप हमें इस नंबर पर व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 905205097।